Let's see the filtration apparatus. So, 1 liter, 1000 ml. Okay.
As soon as I come.
Oh well. This is the adapter. Then here you connect the. This is the side arm where you connect your suction, and then down to this suction pump, which will do the filtration. It's a kind of creating a vacuum to increase the movement of liquid during filtration. And this is the filtration apparatus. Actually, the Büchner flask is here, complete Büchner flask. Here you place this where you pour what you want to filter and connect it to the machine. This clip is used to hold the reservoir and the Büchner flask. So complete filtration set 1000 ml is available.